if you come, we'll work on your homework. Alright, timer's ready, flagger's ready. Kick her up, kick her up, kick her up. Six. Coach him, Mike, and coach him. Oh, there you go. Take him around. Bring him around. Drive it.
Keep driving it.
Get across, get across, get across. Left leg, left leg. There you go. To that wall. Might need a help up and step out of the hole.
Okay.
Get to that head, step up, Mike. To help him drive it through.
Okay, go get 7.
Alright, you're on
Stop
7. Stop,
and
turn, back him up. Now back him up. Get him off the bit. Alright, turn and go get your 7.
7. Black cow course, right in the back.
Work on your homework, Mike, and then you can move side to side, side to side.
Okay, go across.
Get across, get across. Angle, angle. There you go. Good angle.
Push it.
Get across, beat him. Get that angle down. There you go. Get across.
Get across. Keep pushing him. Hi, Poppy. Go across. Black cow, to your left. Push him. Go across. Hey.
Alright, now slow down. Alright, get to that head,
Go. Okay, push him around.
There you go, good job.
That's all you can do.
Step up, Mike, step up. Get across, come on dude, get him out.
Get across. Push him on the wall.
Step up to that one, Mike can help him out a little.
Okay, yeah, bring him that way. Push him.
Drive him up, there you go. Good job, stop.
0.
We don't have the 9, so get the 0.
Black cow in the middle.
There you go, drive him up.
Keep him driving.
Good job.
Keep driving up.
Stop, turn, go get your 1.
Stop, turn, go get your 1.
The red cow on the
Red
right.
cow on the right. Just bring him all the way around.
You can kick him up to a trot. Kick him up to a trot. Let's see what he does. There you go. Stop, turn.
Stop, turn.
Back him up when he stops. Now back him up hard. Get him off that bit. Alright, you're on 2.
2. Black cow.
Bump that 4 off and head him. Get to the head. Alright, now keep him on the wall. Drive him off the wall.
Stop, turn.
There you go. Stop, turn. Get the 3. Back him up. Get the 3. Good job. Pick him up.
3. Red cow.
Pick him up to a trot. There you go. Pick up the pace a little. Go, Mike, and get that 4. Mike is in. Go get this 4. Alright, go get your 5.
Go get your 5. Come on. Pick her up. Go. Put it up to a trot.
Drive him.
Keep kicking him.
There you go. Now when you get here, ask for a stop and back him up. You notice how everything